I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, kindly make sure you subscribe. Yeah, that will be so good. It's an advantage for me. Yeah, so as you can see, I undid my when I vlogged last, I had open hair, so I went and did some simple cornrows for me to just wear my wig easily. Today is on Tuesday. My daughter and I, we've been a little bit under the weather. As you can see, my eyes are red. I don't know if you can see clearly. Yeah, so my daughter went to school and she was infected with the red eye. There's an outbreak for the red eye. It started in Tanzania, then now it's in Mombasa. So she came home on Friday last week and she told me, "Mommy." So we quickly rushed and got medication for her. And then I got infected as well. She's okay. She didn't go to school on Monday. Today she went to school. She's fine. And I was told that you can be reinfected, you know. So as it is, yeah, now I'm the only one infected in this house. But it's getting better. I'll put a video here. You see, I was bad yesterday. Actually, it was bad. Yeah, so this is vlog 2.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile. And I can't get over you. I'm losing my mind.
And what time is it? What time is it? Yeah, it's 12. Are you able to see? It's 12:41. I'm from outside, not really outside, but from my balcony. That's why I wash my clothes. I was washing clothes. I did a few house chores. I didn't take it through all that because we'll do that next time. I can't reach to have a washing machine. Hey, God, hear my prayer. Yeah, so I did all that, and as you can see, it's during lunchtime. I need to prepare some lunch for myself.
Pastikan ku takkan kembali. Lalu biarkan dia menangis. Lalu biarkan dia pergi. Salih kau selalu sendiri. Sampai kapanpun sendiri. Hingga kau lelah menanti. Hingga kau lelah menangis. Salih kau selalu sendiri. Sampai kapanpun sendiri.
Yeah, so then I took some yoga there as I watched the TV. I was watching a certain YouTuber, and the family. She was being surprised with the suitcase there, as you can see. Yeah, so I really love watching other content creators. It's really interesting. And guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so guys, I'm done. I've changed the top. This is what I had selected before, but I figured it's a little bit big and it doesn't go with the pants because it's a bell trouser. So yeah, I realized I lost the audio. So I think I was showing you the perfume that I was going to wear for that day. I wore Oud by Emporio Armani, Giorgio Armani. Oud, it's a very nice oud, and then since it's very deep oud, I needed to spice it up with a fresh scent. That is white tea by, who's the designer? Elizabeth Aden, yes. So at least it will tone down the oud. I think there I was talking about the creased top and I don't know why I just didn't take my time to iron it anyway. I was going to wear a wig. I was contemplating on which one to wear between the two. Then I think I settled for the long one because I was going to buy a cap on my way to the school so that I can just put it on, because the hair keeps on being blown to my face and I don't like that. So when I usually see people wearing their wigs with the caps, I've never tried, so I just wanted to get a cap. I've never owned a cap before, so yeah, you'll see me, and it really works. And so far I've been abusing that cap. I've really been abusing the cap. I'm so sure it's about to complain. So what I'll do, I'll go get a few colors, different colors. I got a blue one, you'll see in the video. Then I'm thinking I should get a white one so that I don't get to abuse it a lot because it's white, and red maybe. Yeah, I'll have the three, and also black, yeah, so that I can continue abusing. So guys, have I shown you the fit? It's just simple jean pants and this top. Yeah, let me take a watch. I'm usually not confident walking around without a watch. I feel I'm just missing something. Like I should have something. You see what I'm saying? Oh my god, I don't like when my hair gets blown away to my face.
I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you. I just need you. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, guys, I finally got a cap and it's so cute. There was another one for red. It was pretty, but not. I mean, I'm not shooting myself. Yeah, mirrors with me. Yeah, as I was saying, I finally got a very nice car. Yeah, and there was a red one that was even more prettier, but I couldn't get it because I'm wearing a blue fit, so I would have clashed my look, and I look so nice. Oh, so I went to school. I also picked my baby from school. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Yeah, so let's continue the vlog. I'm so tired. Are you famished? Are you hungry? You usually say you're no, there's another word you say, not hungry. You usually say you're no, there's a word you say. I have remembered. She usually say I am. It starts with S. Yeah, usually say, Mommy, I'm starving. So I'm like, oh my goodness. Starving is such a heavy word according to me. What do you think, guys? Anyway, so let me get tea for my baby. I have to wash my hands. Mama, make sure you wash your hands. In fact, she's going to shower. I'm also going to shower again because I usually have OCD. Hey, you guys, I have to shower since I've interacted with people outside there. I shower. Remember, again, I can't touch her. Okay, I can touch her, yes, but she has to shower properly so that I don't reinfect you with my red eyes, my vampire eyes. People are just looking at me because when you turn like this, your eyes are red. When you turn like this, they're red, so they kind of look weird. Anyway, let's continue the vlog. Immediately after freshening up, I came right direct to my working space, my little office there. So I had some new stock that came in during the day. So I usually pick one of each and shoot content. Should we call it content? Okay, yeah. Like you can see above the screen there, I shoot a video of every item for me to post on my Instagram page, and clients to be sure of what they're getting, what they're buying, the correct size, everything in both a picture and video, you know, capturing all the specs that every client needs to see. Follow me on Instagram. Hi guys, so I'm from my physical class, and then I went and picked my baby from school exactly at some minutes after 4 because I had to come from my school all the way to her school and pick her up. Then I have a few orders that I need to package and post them to wherever they're supposed to be. Yeah, so far my day has just been okay. It's too hot, man. So far my day has been very okay, guys. Comment down below and tell me how your day has been. I've been up and about. Yeah, so a client just bought this lovely wash. This is lovely, you guys. Go follow my Instagram page and make sure you order this. I have so many watches, so whatever tickles your fancy, you go and order it. So I want to show you guys how I usually package my parcels. I usually have this card. It's a do I say Thanksgiving card or a thanks card? It's written, "Thank you for supporting my business. Your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours." Isn't it so beautiful? And of course, candy. And for parcels that are going far, I prefer using a bubble wrap. You're supposed to go and shower. Order. Then there's an incoming call. Sorry. Sorry about that, guys. I was answering that call. It's actually another order, so I'm supposed to package all that. And
Watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you. I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you.
hey guys, I'm headed downstairs to collect my order. Today I wasn't feeling like cooking. I was feeling so tired, super tired. So it's a surprise. My daughter doesn't know, and she loves pizza.
All of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you pass me by, I fall in love.
You happy?
There's something about you.
You happy?
I wish you were mine.
What are you doing?
And
Who is that?
only could be there to hold you.
Oh, your family. Who is this?
Breathing when you're
So come and tell me, who is this?
something
Ibra?
I wish you were
Daddy? Me? And you? And who is this? Like a small baby. You're manifesting like a small baby. Madam. Eating the pineapples alone. Yeah, so guys, there's an offer today, so you buy two at 1,700 instead of one at 1,400. Yeah, so I opted to grab the medium since there's an offer and you're only to the two of us. Yeah, so let's enjoy. At least this has saved me cooking. Baby, I'm having a slight headache. I really don't know why. You really love cheese. Okay, enjoy. They did good, a good topping. I was saying, I'm having a slight headache, and then this is the progress of the red eye. So far so good. Sifa tunampa Mwenyezi Mungu. Okay, let's enjoy our dinner, then take a soda. No, there's no soda in the fridge. I'm supposed to go for shopping tomorrow. There's juice in there. Yeah, we'll take juice. Yeah, then see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Last time when we spoke, that was at night. Yeah, when I was going to surprise my daughter with pizza for dinner, because I wasn't feeling like it. I was so tired. I was feeling some type of way. I was having a slight headache. I think it's because of the red eye thing. We slept early. I slept at 9. I just decided I put my phones away. You know, nimekuwa nikifanya kazi the whole of yesterday, like I didn't rest. So today I'm feeling so fresh. Yes, it's in the morning. I'm done having my breakfast. I'm very full. Yeah, update on my eye infection. the red eye thing. That's the progress. They've really cleared, so the redness is just little. Yeah, today's on Friday. Yes. I want to fold the clothes. Head to my kitchen. I wash the utensils. I need to clean my fridge, then head out and do some shopping. My fridge is totally empty. Yeah, I'm done with folding clothes. I'm done with cleaning the kitchen, the utensils, and what. So what I'm gonna do right now is to clean the fridge because I'm heading out to go and do some shopping. Then after the shopping, we come and organize everything in the fridge with you guys. There's nothing in the fridge. It's that time of the month where shopping imeisha umekaribia end month, so you're literally buying everything from the grocery outside there because there's nothing in the fridge. Yeah, let me show you what's remaining in the fridge, but it has not been a hard time. It's only that I usually like doing my shoppings at the end of the month, and in between the month I do the little shoppings, you know, especially grocery. Yeah, so let's see. So as you can see, there's nothing. What's left is this is beef, 2 portions of beef and chicken. I love kienyeji, guys. My close friends know the way I love kienyeji. So there's literally nothing in this fridge. That's what's left. Here I love putting my blue band and this cowboy, especially the 2 in the fridge. Reason is in Mombasa it's hot, so when you don't put them in a cool place, they start developing molds. I don't know if that's the case with the other people who stay in Mombasa. Yeah, but this is the only hack for me. Something else that's left is this lettuce, yeah, however you call it. This mango, nothing. The honey is done. My soy sauce and my dressing for my salad, 4 eggs. This is also done. In this too, this is just water. In Mombasa you'll need, okay, I think everywhere you'll need to just drink cool water. And now this is the yogurt. This is almost done. This is water. So you see, my fridge is practically empty. So let's remove everything, the compartments, we get to clean them. Yeah, and also in between the month, but once in a while, I usually not like removing them the way I'm removing them right now. I usually wipe with vinegar when, yeah, I don't know, you guys understand.
I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you pass There's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. 'Cause every time you pass me by, I fall in love. I fall in love. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine.
So guys, I'm done. Here are the compartments. By the time I'm coming back from shopping, they'll have dried. Then you put them back to the fridge and organize. Meanwhile, I've just placed them down there, the things that I can't leave away outside of the fridge, and my meat there. So see you. Yeah guys, so I'm finally ready. I think I'm going to wear this one, the short one. And time is not on my side because I'm sure right now it's noon, and my physical class is at 2. And shopping really takes me a lot of time. I don't know, I'll just shop, come and dump the items here, I go to school, then I pick my baby from school, I come back home so we can organize, and at least my baby will give me a hand. Not child labor. Oh, this is the outfit I'm wearing. Blue pants always work things easy for me when I'm running errands and I'm up and down, you know. Let me see if this wig comes out well. Let me have a necklace on because it looks so plain. This necklace is written baby girl. I usually sell these earrings. This type of chain with a name, you can have it written in your own name, whichever way, in Arabic, my Muslim people, in Arabic words. You just follow my Instagram, my business Instagram page, you'll see what I have. I have very beautiful earrings. I have so much to offer, so go and patronize me guys. Yeah, so I think I'm done. Let's head out and shop. Manake hamna chakula kwa hii nyumba. I was almost leaving the fan on. Na stima vile siku hizi iko juu. It's crazy man. President, explain. So that's the fit of the day. I don't look that bad. And I'm going to wear what should I wear in terms of shoes. I'll wear the Mickey sandals, the Mickey Mouse sandals. I feel I'm lacking here. Watch. Yeah, I'm going to wear this. They're just simple to run around. These sandals, I just bought them because not like I wanted them, but they're nice. They're very cute. I was wearing other sandals a particular day, and then zikakatika. Haya, ndo huyo mimi, ndo huyo mimi, ndo huyo mimi. Jamani napendeza, jamani napendeza. I look good, I look good, I'm looking yummy, yummy, yummy. Nakaa vizuri. Haya, twendeni sasa tukanunue shopping. Haya. On getting to Nyali Center, I just rushed to this particular store, Saving Homes. Nikakuja kufurahisha macho kidogo hapa nikiangalia kitchen utensils ama ni kitchenware. Yeah, nikaangalia kidogo because these are things that I really love. Yeah, and those, okay, basically window shopping. And then what brought me to this store is to buy candy for my clients. When you buy anything from my store, be sure to get candy, chocolates, yeah, anything that I'll be having at that moment, I'll pack something for you there. Yes, so I also did a short video to show you guys what they have. They really have plenty of, if you have a sweet tooth, man, you need to come to this side of the aisle, because man, you can go crazy. And then on the other side of the aisle, they have crisps, different types of biscuits, blah blah blah, so many things. Yeah, I grabbed my candy and
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time?
I'm usually shy to shoot in the public, but I found a way to just place my camera in the trolley. As you can see there, I'm trying to get a good angle where you can see me selecting my onions there. You know, I really need to get used to the fact that I'm a content creator, to hold my camera high, shoot those videos, you know. And another thing, if people really stare at you and again they think you're recording them, they give you that eye, that bombastic side eye, like, don't record me. And for me it's really should I say scary? Not really. I'm not finding the perfect word, but I find it's so uncomfortable. Yeah, and I don't like creating chaos. Yeah, meet my say hi to my people. Siwaambie, unaitwa nani? At this point, I was done with the shopping. When I thought I had collected everything that I needed, on getting home, I realized that I didn't buy a few things you'll see in the video. So I went right ahead and queued on cashier number 2 and waited for my turn. Then I was also going to pass by Linton's. It's upstairs. I wish I did that before, but I had forgotten. Good thing there's a lift, so it's not going to be a hassle. Yeah, so I was going to Linton's to get my cleanser. I am retired in this sector. Sasa sijui. Normal to dry. Skin yangu ni oily combination. Normal to akina vile nilikuwa nataka therapy. Normal to dry.
I could tell you every time when you passing me by, I fall in love. There's something thinking about you. I wish you were mine.
Then I headed home. I was using a tuk-tuk because they are always ready and a standby for you to just pick one and go home. So after going home, I was just going to dump the shopping. I head out to school. The next video you'll be seeing is me coming home with my daughter.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about.
Because you're backwards. You're backwards, you're going. Oh, here's the pattern. Mathematics. And now we understand. You know it. I'll show how you're doing it. So guys, we're back home. I picked hold your bottle. Tumetoka shule. Mimi nimetoka shule yangu. And then I followed to school. And unfortunately, I had to go to school for only 1 hour because I was so late. I was supposed to go to school at 2. Remember I told you guys. But I was arriving at school at 3. I was late to pick my baby from school in 15 minutes. I found her waiting for me there alone, which made me feel so bad. Are you sad? You are bored? Sorry. Tomorrow there's no school. Tomorrow is on Saturday. You happy? You happy? Then after freshening up, we go and arrange everything. Kila kitu ikuwe mahali yake, bahali yake. Hey, it was noisy outside. What's up? Oh my god, outside it's sunny. I was feeling myself. Yani, I was looking pink. Watu huko, hey my guys. Okay, hata nisijichoche sana mko.
Mine is this one. Mine is this one.
You want that one? It's okay. So let's see each other in the kitchen. First of all, let's go and freshen up, then see you in this other outfit. Yes, so I am back. I am feeling so fresh, you guys. Yeah, even you're feeling fresh in your dera. Yeah, guys, let me show you my shopping. I just nothing much on this clip. I was just explaining that I'm wearing a rainbow dress and not to mean anything.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added color. just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. You tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you.
Yeah, I don't know how you guys store your meat products. For me, I usually take all the zote, even nyama gani ama gani, I slice them into smaller pieces, and then I have so many storage containers, and as I was shopping, so I added a few of them. Yeah, so I store them in smaller portions that you can eat at once, so it's just easy to pick and cook, you know. Yeah. At this point, I was done with fridge arrangement. As you can see, my freezer is full with my meat products. I lost the footage where I was slicing the chicken. I bought both the kienyeji and the broiler. My daughter loves broiler, and if you want to get a good amount of chicken breast, you'll get that from the broiler type of chicken. And then I also bought my type of chicken that's kienyeji. I ran out of space in the freezer, so I had to store it there. I also ran out of the storage containers, so I had to use that plate. Earlier, as I was slicing my chicken, I did marinate a few pieces so that by the time I'm done, they'll have marinated enough. So we were going to have this as dinner. I was dressing it with the wheat flour and then deep frying. I was so tired, I didn't have the energy to do long cooking. I just needed this fast food, you know. I deep fried the chicken pieces. Our fries were ready. You'll see us dining in the next video. Yeah, we were going to have this as our dinner. Guys, enjoy. Please subscribe. Guys, subscribe.
that you do. My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added
This was the next day. I think this was on Sunday. I took her to the salon to get her hair done, ready for school tomorrow, which is on Monday. Yes. And her hair has really grown. Her hair is really long. Yeah, and she never disturbs the salonist. Yani, she's very patient because she loves hair. Look at her. She actually chose the style for herself from Pinterest. The style is really lovely and the hairstylist nailed it. She was looking so pretty. So guys, we've come to the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching until this far. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, comment down below, please share.